How did Python string encoding evolve to UTF-8? Have you ever wondered how Python handles text in different languages? Today, we will look at the evolution of Python string encoding and how it transitioned to UTF-8. This journey began back in 1991 when Python was first released. At that time, strings were just simple sequences of bytes using ASCII encoding. ASCII supports only 128 characters, which was fine for basic English text but not enough for other languages or symbols. As the internet grew and became more global, the need for a universal character set became clear. This is where Unicode came into play. Unicode was developed to representing virtually all written languages and symbols, including emojis. Initially, early Unicode used 16-bit code units, allowing 465,536 characters. However, as the demand grew, Unicode expanded to over 1 million code points, leading to the need for more complex encoding schemes. The year 2000, Python 2 was released, introducing a dedicated Unicode string type. This type used 16-bit numbers to representing characters, allowing Python to handle a wider range of characters beyond ASCII. Unicode strings in Python 2 were marked with a U prefix like example. However, the default string type in Python 2 was still a byte string, which mixed text and binary data. This often led to confusion and bugs for developers. Then came Python 3 in 2008, which made a significant change. The default string type became a sequence of Unicode code points. This change simplified text handling and reduced errors. Python 3 also introduced separate types for binary data, distinguishing clearly between text and binary data. When reading or writing text to files or networks, Python 3 encodes or decodes strings using an encoding scheme. UTF-8 became the default encoding for Python 3's interactions with the file system and many other operations. UTF-8 is a variable length encoding that can representing every Unicode character while remaining backward compatible with ASCII. The adoption of UTF-8 in Python was gradual, involving extensive testing and adjustments between Python 3.0 and 3.4. The choice of UTF-8 was made because it works well across different platforms and languages. However, it was not always the default in early Python 3 versions. Over the years, Python's core developers refined the handling of UTF-8 and introduced error handlers to reduce encoding errors. Today, Python's string encoding has evolved from simple ASCII byte strings to a sophisticated Unicode model with UTF-8 as the default encoding for external text representation. This evolution reflects the need to support global languages and modern text processing requirements. For Python programmers, this means that in Python 3, strings are Unicode by default, and encoding to UTF-8 happens automatically when interacting with files or networks unless specified otherwise. This design makes working with text in diverse languages and scripts much easier and more consistent.